Hi all, I hope you're safe and well. Please can you put today's title, Coasts, Processes, Weathering and Mass Movement. Before you do now, please allow yourself 5 minutes to answer the questions. Going through answers. Fetch is a key definition you must know. The length of water over which a given wind has blown. The key point, the length of water. Constructive waves have a strong swash, therefore they have a weak backwash. Remember, destructive waves are the opposite. They have a weak swash and a strong backwash, which is responsible for removing sediment from the coast. Number 3, destructive waves have a high wave frequency. 4 and 5 are key core knowledge points for topic 2, development dynamics. Number 6, I've given you 4 examples. Please check yours and can you add 2 to your answer. So, today we're looking at weathering and mass movement, 2 of the core coastal processes. This will help us be able to explain how coastal landforms are created along the coastline, which we'll look at in more detail in lessons 4 and 5. Please can you watch the GCSE pod, just refresh your and review your knowledge from last lesson looking at waves. So, subaerial processes. These are processes that act on the Earth's surface, including weathering and mass movement. Please can you write that definition down? Your first main task is to summarise the types of weathering. Weathering is different to erosion. Weathering is the breakdown of the rock. Erosion is wearing the rock away. Please do not confuse these 2 processes. I recommend you draw a diagram, as I have, summarising the different types. Add colour and draw pictures to support your memory and recall of these. Highlight the key terms. Please answer the following questions in full sentences. You'll be able to check your answers on the next slide. Please green pen your answers, making sure they are all of the way right. One must-know example is freeze-thaw weathering. As an example of mechanical weathering, I've bullet pointed a list of how freeze-thaw weathering breaks down rocks using or due to physical factors, in this case water. Please can you create a storyboard representing this process? 1 picture and 1 caption for each stage. You now need to apply your knowledge. Please write out the question with annotations. Explain 1 mechanical weathering coastal process, worth 4 marks. I've given you a starter sentence. The process must be written in the correct logical order, i.e. a sequence. It has to make logical sense. Please can you write this definition down? Our 3 types are rockfalls, slumping and sliding. I would like you to draw the 3 images at the bottom, annotating from the descriptions each type of mass movement. In the exam, you'll be asked about mass movement, perhaps in general or one particular example. Therefore, it's important you're able to distinguish between the three types. Please review your knowledge. Please can I remind you to send your work to me and complete your Seneca and Educate assignments. These are great revision tools and will definitely help you retain the knowledge you're learning, moving that knowledge from the short-term memory to the long-term. This will also allow teachers to check how well you're doing and if you need further support in certain areas. Thank you and take care.